Director of Imphal International Airport, Chinpemi Kaishing, launched the 3rd Northeast Independent Approach Control ATS unit at Imphal International Airport today. The unit stationed within the ATC tower located in the ATC building assumed responsibility for overseeing the essential functions previously managed by the Imphal tower, which is a vital component of the airport's operations. During the unit's launched program, Joint General Manager of Imphal International Airport and ATS in charge, Subrata Haldar, highlighted the evolution of Imphal Tower's operations. Initially operating as a single-channel entity, the tower managed airspace within the 25-mile radius and up to 20,000 feet from Imphal Airport. However, with the increasing volume of flights exceeding 40 departures per day, the tower struggles to effectively manage air traffic. To address this challenge, the central headquarters of the Airport Authority of India agreed to implement a solution by dividing the tower's responsibilities into two distinct entities of approach and aerodrome control.
Today is a historical moment in the aviation history of Imphal that we could establish a separate unit which is called Independent Tower Control Unit or Aerodrome Control Unit and Independent Approach Control Unit. So far, we have been providing this service through combined channel. Combined channel has one deficiency that when traffic increases, then frequency congestion starts. That means more number of aircraft comes in the frequency. They have get little space for talking. So this reduces the safety of the aircraft. So considering this fact, we have decided that we should divide these two channels because the number of aircraft movement have increased like anything at Imphal. Earlier it was hardly 20 to 25. Now it is touching 40 per day.